All right, y'all, and we back with another one, the never-ending Audi. So this one is back in because the amplifier, one of the 4-channel amplifiers that came in from Helix, was defective. It had a factory defect going on where it would delay the tweeters from coming on for like a few seconds, and it would cut out. So we had Helix send us another 4-channel amplifier, and today I'm going to be putting in that 4-channel amplifier, reinstalling it. It was this one here, so this amplifier that was in that space, which is this one, was bad. Had a factory defect, something going on with it. So Helix sent us another one, so I'm going to get this swapped out and hopefully get this Audi out of here, man. It's been here for quite some time, dealing with defective equipment and rewire and stuff like that. So this should fix our problem, and we should be good after this. So I'll tap in with you guys, let y'all know how it is when I get the amplifier installed. Yes, sir.